and I was waiting to hear from the governor. You said you got the mail, though, right? That's with your legal office, and you want to say the first of the session, and I was filming outside the governor's office. I was approached by the staff, and I was told I couldn't film because of some other strange reason. But I was told by Kyle Gilbert that this issue would be addressed as soon as possible. The state, for the last 5-6 years, I haven't been able to get my state income tax back because the state had took my property, that 1997, the Suburban. And the Suburban is part of my property, a sole proprietorship of my business. All right. And I asked for an audit because the state keeps charging me $150 a year on the truck because I don't have insurance on the truck. But the truck was taken by the state in February of 2011 and never returned to me. Scott Schellenberger, Chief Johnson of the Baltimore County Police Department. They took the truck, the computer. On that information that I sent you, it shows you what they took from me, and it was never returned. But now the state is charging me for this. And so that's why I asked for a audit, because I just need an audit. And I need the governor to respond for that mail as soon as possible, or give me a letter saying that they're reviewing it. I'm out $2.6 million because of this. They took my truck, my computer, and my way of making a living. And the state participated in this. They got forged checks. And no taxes were paid on this business in 2008. And I gross over $260,000 a year. And no taxes were paid. There was no audit. There was no red flags. You know what I'm saying? And checks were made. Businesses, money was transferred through Bank of America, SunTrust Bank, Paul Weinblatt and Associates. There was money laundering involved. All right. So I really need to know this because now I've got to file taxes again, and I can't get my money. It's like y'all charging me for something I don't even own anymore. The state took it to court order to return, and the state still hasn't returned it. And that's been over 5, almost 6 years now. I'm found innocent of all my charges, so the state is supposed to do this duly, freely, and at the expense of the government, and that's at my expense. And we got the bills that's going on in Annapolis now about bail and all this, and this got to deal with all that. That's what I was blowing the whistle on. Brian Foss has this information. I've testified in front of the Judiciary Committee, Zirkin. I've spoken to both houses, and I'm an indigent. I can't afford to approach the courts to fight for something that the court's supposed to return to me. That's what the bail bondsmen and all that is about. It's about our lack of financial ability to approach the court. So I really need the response to that letter. All right. And you got the response, and I told you how to, I forwarded that information. It's called Checks and Balances, Judicial, Executive, and Legislative Branches, correct? And he's the executive branch of the government, and he's supposed to, when another branch is not doing their job, he's supposed to intercede on my behalf. And I've done it legally in the correct manner. All the information is there in front of him. So I will be awaiting a response, please, and let him know. All right. And your name again? Mayor? Megan? Ask Kyle if he can give me a call too, please. Thank you. Yep. I videotaped the phone call for a reason. I don't want it to be no misunderstandings about nothing I say I do. I don't want them to say that I threaten them. I want to audit. I want to audit. That's it. So in closing, y'all see that? That's legal. That's legal mail. That's me when I ran for office. And that's for the Baltimore Sun, because y'all ran the story about me. That's Fox 45. Same justice you giving them, I want it too. I'm going straight to the governor for it. See ya.